Yo, Sakafet, I finally reached 100k subscribers. I am so excited, so happy. I want to thank you for watching my videos, commenting, liking, and sharing. I am very grateful for every single one of you. I always told myself, once I reach 100k, I will give back to the people that helped me get here. So I team up with some amazing brands to give away a DAW, a MIDI keyboard, and some fire crazy plugins. So stay with me and let's take a look at what's included in the giveaway. At first we have FL Studio. It is the main data that I use on my YouTube channel, and also it is the best that when it's come to beat making, let's say music production in general, because now it is even better at recording vocals and tracking instrument. And now we jump to the next one, which is the FLkey 49. It's a collaboration between FL Studio and Novation. This is the keyboard that I am currently using in my studio, and it is very good. One thing I love with it is the communication with FL Studio. We know Novation make good high quality MIDI keyboard, and now you have all the features that come with the FLkey 49, where you can connect with your FL Studio, use the quantize metronome, you can use the gain on the channel rack. It is a very dope collaboration, and I love using this keyboard. And also I want to thank Novation for make this possible. Thank you so much. And now guys, we jump to the next one, and at first I want to thank Steinberg for providing us with 2 copies of the Absolute 7. It is a massive bundle. You have the Alien 7, you have the Color Luffy and tapes, you have Carrier 8, you have Vintage Classic, you have FM Lab, you have a bunch of crazy plugin. You have organ, you have the Model C, you have some crazy pianos, we have the Gwent with the Eagle. Also you will have some drum and percussion. I really love the Groove Agent 6, which is a live drum that you can use to create drum feel for your beat. And also if you want to add more life to your beat, you know, when you play live instrument in your beat, it's bringing it to another level. This is some drum that you can find right there, and the T guitar, and also the axe matching. Now you have some bass, you have cinematic instrument. Guys, you have everything with this bundle. By itself you can create thousands of instrumentals, so it is a crazy bundle. And Steinberg give us also the artefakt guitar, and you can use it to create rock, funk, blues, jazz, Afrobeat, Konpa, any genre, guys, because it is very fire. Now we are going to go to the next one, which is Arturia. You all know that I use Arturia on my channel already, and there is nothing more I can say about Arturia. We all know Arturia plugins are very crazy, guys, and they giving us the V Collection 11. And guys, you have the Analog Live 5 Pro 5 Pure Lofi. Guys, you have some crazy synth, crazy synth, guys. You have the Mini V, you have the CS ADV, you have the Juno 6, you have the Jupiter 6. It's like you have classic synth, you have crazy synth, guys, and you have some digital synth. Also you have the Mini Freak, you have the synth clavier. Guys, trust me, you have everything you need to create crazy song. I'm gonna use this bundle to create a beat, and also to show you what you can achieve with this bundle. One thing I love with Arturia, they say, yeah, we are not gonna give you only the V Collection. Now we are going to give you 1 copy of the FX Collection 6. Those are FX that you can use on your beat when you're mixing beat, vocals, even on your full production. We have the pitch shifter, boss transient, boss peak, boss force. Those are plugins that you can use on your boss or on your master boss. Those are game changer, and trust me guys, you will find crazy fire plugin FX for your mixing and mastering. You have this tape G37, we have the tape Milo 5. I think this one is gonna be for lo-fi vibe, and we have this famous preamp, guys. It's crazy. You have reverb, you have compressor, you have filter, you have everything you need to mix and master your song. The last one is gonna be Playbeat. Playbeat is a AI powered drum designer that's gonna help you create drum for a beat. I made a tutorial on this plugin already, and it is a dope plugin, and you will find different genre. As you can see right there, we have lo-fi, Latin, industrial, glitch, we have experimental, electronic, electro, hip-hop. You have many genre that you can use and then try to experiment with drum, create new sound, when you have some big block, this one can be very helpful. It's like give you sound that you normally not gonna use and bring some new vibe to your production. And yeah, I'm so happy to have those plugin, and I can give them away to you. I am very grateful and thank God I can do that for the community, and hopefully I can do more. To enter the giveaway, leave a comment down below to tell me where you're from and let me know what's your favorite in the giveaway. Also, I'll drop content using what's included in the giveaway so you can have a better idea of how you can implement them in your workflow. Stay tuned for more.